Triple G, say that we're not cool, bro. Be a redneck, not cool, bro. Drink a lot of beer, not cool, bro. Hanging out with incels, not cool, bro. Smoking lots of cigarettes, not cool, bro. Live in Florida, not cool, bro. What's wrong with you, bro? Doing streams about a bunch of black guys that smoke weed. Not cool, bro. There's gotta be something wrong with your brain, bro. Yeah, bro. Laughing real hard when guys, when jings, say the N-word. Not cool, bro. Not cool, bro. Living in Florida. Not cool, bro. Not cool. Yeah, bro. I think there's something wrong with you, bro. You might need professional help, bro. Yeah, bro. Not cool. Hanging out with fake wrestlers who yell at people. Not cool, bro. Not cool. Not cool, bro. Drinking too much beer. Not cool, bro. You might get cirrhosis of the liver. Not cool, bro. Yeah. Being a complete degenerate. Not cool, bro. Not cool. Playing Counter-Strike. Not cool, bro. Not cool. Yeah, bro.